Well, hey guys and girls, I am very excited to show you some of the dinosaur math that I have for you to do this week. This one's going to be kind of fun because you get to have your own little play mat here and you can use the problems that I have for you or you can make up your own. So let me start with one of the problems that I gave you. So in your Google Classroom, of course, there is a play mat like this and it's not colored in. You have to color it in yourself and it has some blanks down here that we're going to write on, and I'll show you about that in a minute. So we have a volcano, we have some trees here, we have kind of a lake here. Looks like the volcano is erupting and lava is coming out. So it's supposed to be like a whole little dinosaur kind of play scene here. All right, and you will also get, I uploaded a sheet of dinosaurs in there if you're able to print them out or to draw it yourself, or you can always draw this yourself too. That even makes it more fun and gives you a little bit more to do. And you will also have some sample problems or problems that you can go ahead and use. And then at the end, there is also a paper to record your answers on or your problems on, okay, and to show representation in different ways. So let me start by playing with some dinosaurs here. Let me grab my paper, I dropped it. Okay, so if I'm going to use one of the problems from here, I'll just read the first one. And the first one says, 3 dinosaurs are by the lake and 3 are by the tree. How many dinosaurs are there in all? And that is our clue, in all. When it says in all, that means we're going to add them together. There's 3 that are going to be by the lake, 3 by the tree. We have to see how many there are all together. Okay, now I'm going to use a little tiny bit of glue, but you don't have to do that because you're going to be able to move them around and play with them and make up different problems. Okay, but I'm using glue because I got to show you how to do it. All right, so let me get my 3 by the lake. So we'll pretend they're swimming here a little bit maybe. So I got my 3 guys that look the same here hanging out by the lake. You have to color those in and cut them out or draw them yourself and cut them out. Okay, so there's 3 by the lake. And then it said 3 by the tree. So I'm going to get my other guys over here, kind of looking like a different little family of dinosaurs here. And I will put them by the tree. And one more, we'll just go ahead and stick him up here. All right, so I have 3 dinosaurs enjoying themselves by the lake and 3 by the tree. Okay, so I'm going to record that. So what you want to do is you can make some blanks there and use those or use a pencil and erase them when you're done, or you can make several blanks. You can turn it over and write your blanks on the back, okay? I put a little piece of plastic here so I could use it again if I wanted to. Okay, so I have my 3 here. So I'm going to go ahead and record a 3. I have 3 over here. Okay, so if I want to write a math equation, a math sentence, I'm going to add them together if my problem says how many are there in all. Those are my clue words. So I'm going to put a plus sign because that means we are adding them together. So 3 by the tree plus 3 by the lake equals whatever is on the other side of the equal sign is going to tell us how many we have together or in all, the sum of them, the answer. So 3 dinosaurs plus 3 more dinosaurs equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I bet you knew that. I almost wrote it down because I figured you'd know it. But if you want to use your fingers, you can do the same thing. You show me 3 fingers over here plus 3 fingers over here. Put them together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like we would count it the same, okay? And you can do different ones. You can do them over and over again. You can go to, there is a subtraction problem on here. Number 4 says 10 dinosaurs were wandering around and 3 left. How many stayed? So that would be, you'd start with 10 and you would take away however many left and see how many were still hanging around. Okay, so you can use the 4 problems that I have here, and you don't have to do all 4. I'd like you to at least try 2 of them, okay? Or if you don't like these, you can make up your own, and then you can just have a good old time playing with dinosaurs. Okay, after that part of it, that's kind of the fun part. Then we take this page right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that up over it, I believe. And we're going to record it in a different way, okay? And we've done some of these before, so it will not be difficult, okay? And I'll keep it here because we can go up and down and look at it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this top one. Okay, so it says I can draw it. Now, if you already colored and cut out dinosaurs and everything, you do not have to do dinosaurs again. You could just do it with dots. So let's say I have my green and blue dinosaurs, let's just say. All right, so if I wanted to do that same problem, 3 plus 3, I could do 3 green dots. 1, 2, 3. I could do 3 blue dots. 1, 2, 3. Just as simple as that. It's representing the same thing. Here I have the actual dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs and 3 dinosaurs. Here I represented with dots, no problem. I can show it in a 10 frame. So if I have 10 little frames here, we know that's why we call it a 10 frame, because there's 10 little boxes that look like frames. I'm going to fill up 6 of them, okay? And let me use a different color. Okay, so I could put an X in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I could use my colored dots. Either way, I'm just trying to show you different things. Okay, so we would have 6 together, 3 and 3. I can show it on a number line. Now this is really cool, and it's not something that we've done before. So it would be really cool to show it to you here. So if I have 3 and 3, I would go like this. 1, 2, 3. And then I would jump 3 more. 4, 5, 6. So I could go like that. 1, 2, 3. And then 4, 5, 6 to show me where I ended up, okay? Just different ways to represent it. That's what our math is all about. Not only do we have to know what the answer is and how to figure out the problem, but show different ways to represent it, show that we understand it in different ways, okay? And I know that you will have just so much fun, okay? But remember, maybe you don't want to glue them down, okay? I just did that so that I could show it to you. So that way you could, you know, run your little guys around and have a good old dinosaur time, okay? So like I said, try to do at least 2. You can be creative and make up your own, or you can use the ones that I have. But it would be great if you could try 1 addition and 1 subtraction. All right, and I hope you have a fantastic dynamite time.